God, man, listen. I got a never before seen, at least on this channel, pair of shoes. I'm gonna be customizing some Allbirds. These shoes are called the Tree Skippers, I believe, but I had to get this video out. You know, this was mandatory. I had to get it out. I meant to put this out like a couple months ago, honestly, but I was worried about painting on this type of material. This is the soft type of fabric, but you know, I watched some tutorials. Did some practicing, so we gotta hop right into it now. I got them taped up, ready to go, so we gotta get right into it. You know, my friend suggested that I do a little sunset theme on these, so I said, you know what, that's what I gotta do. I'm doing this little gradient in the middle. I got my paint, I gotta get my paint together. We gotta start working on these shoes. Now, like I said in the beginning, I watched some tutorials. I didn't just jump straight into this like I normally do. Now, I learned I had to lay down a white coat before I put the other colors on. That's why I was watching the tutorial. I'll link the tutorial in the description, actually. But yeah, that's what I gotta do. So just like on the other shoe, I'm gonna put a little white coat on the second pair right here as well. Get this together. Since this is the soft fabric, I had to mix the paint with Angela's Too Soft. The last time I tried to paint on fabric like this, I didn't do that. I ended up messing the shoes up completely. Nah, that was a bad time for me. That was a bad time. You can see right here how the shoes are looking so far. This is the first layer of paint I put down. The first layer, you can tell I gotta put some more layers on it. I gotta add some more paint to it. But listen, this colorway, this sunset gradient, it reminds me a lot of the, maybe because I was watching them last night, but the Phoenix Suns jersey, how they had the sunset gradient on their jersey as well. You know, I tell you guys all the time, if I didn't choose to do YouTube, I'd probably be in the Phoenix Suns jersey myself, playing in the finals. I'd probably be in the NBA in the finals right now, but you know, we gotta do the sunset theme on these shoes now. That's what we gotta do. I was just putting some final touches on it over here before I took the tape off and everything. But listen, I gotta show you guys what this shoe looks like. Let me know what you think of them too. Let me know what you think, but I gotta show you.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we